Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by opening Roblox Studio with Explorer and Properties visible, then create a script inside Server Script service named Admin Events. You'll make 2 remote event instances, one for player commands and one for responses. This separates client input from server authority. Once created, initialize a table of admin user IDs and a simple command registry. This immediate setup secures commands on the server and prevents client-side exploitation, so make sure to store admin ID and register at least one test command before proceeding. You now implement the core handler. Connect on server event to a function that first validates the sender's user ID against your admin list. Then parse the incoming command string into a verb and arguments and look up the corresponding handler in your command registry. Once found, run it with pcall to catch errors and ensure state remains stable. As you code, make sure to sanitize inputs and enforce cooldowns where needed. This prevents abuse and keeps server performance predictable while you test commands. You finish by wiring response behavior. When a command completes, use admin event response, fire client to return success or error information to the issuer, and log each attempt to server output for auditing. Once done, register all final commands and remove any debug prints. If something goes wrong, first verify the remote event instances are in server script service and that client code references the correct paths. Confirm your admin ID are numbers not strings, and check pcall errors for API mismatches. These 3 checks resolve most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.